Alright, so now I have the rod back in the cylinder. It's not completely assembled yet, but it's good enough for what I'm doing. And now we can see as I slide it, nothing happens. Sliding it back and forth, and I can't get a 4-20 signal. All I've done was put the rod back in the cylinder. If I get out towards the end, I can get it to pick up a little bit. Let's see here. But it's very there, way out at the end. That's with the transducer sitting on the magnet. But then it disappears. I mean, I'm moving this 1/4 of an inch. That's all I'm moving this. So why would it work with the rod out of the cylinder but not work with the rod in the cylinder?